You let me drive this today or what?
No.
It's all set?
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty heavy or what?
No.
Okay, give me a sec, sorry. I'm inexperienced here. All right.
We can just set it over here. Back. Knock that out of there. That down for a second. Just move this out of the way. Hello, hello. Go take care of that first.
No.
And up she comes.
All right, so this is set to
Grab down here.
Hey.
Out she comes. You can put your back one on first if you want. I can put mine on. You ready?
Can I put the top one on?
You can. But the bottom one will actually hold it. Let's see how she lays.
Take there, but
Just slap it.
it's not bad. A little gappy, a little high.
So it needs to go that way.
And then it's rubbing right here, right?
So let's come forward.
Yeah.
This one too,
We're gonna get in there, didn't need much. Straight on the corner. I like that look that way.
What's
That looks good with the black.
It
and the
does,
yellow.
yeah, I like it. File.
Let's give her a little bit of a clean.
Just give her a little bit of loving.
She'll go. Gonna talk dirty.
Okay, well, I decided to try and paint this cowl hood. So, I gave it a good scuff. Nothing crazy, no body work. Just scratch the paint so that the new paint will stick. Just giving it a wipe down with some isopropyl alcohol. Try and get all the dust off as best as I can, you know, for what we're doing, which is just going to be a spray bomb. So just give this a quick wipe. We'll get spraying. Okay, so I found some of this paint in my basement. So I just kind of want to throw it on as the base for my good paint, if you will. My good paint costs about 40 bucks a can, so I just want to get, so I'm spraying over yellow at least. Okay. So I never claimed to be a body man. This turned out pretty good. And it's hiding those scratch marks from, as you can see, there is some scratch marks. But it's filling it in pretty good. Unfortunately, I did get this big run over here. So I think what I'll do is I'll let this all set up. I gotta let this dry anyway, so I can close the hood and continue on. So I think when that's dry, I'll go ahead and I'll sand that spot over there, and we'll go from there. So let's take fiber. That's one. Okay. There's our hood on there. Listen, I know what you're saying right now. You're saying, hey, that's a terrible match. Yeah, I know this. Don't forget that paint I found. You know, it's just paint I found in my basement. I do have some color match stuff, but I want to let this paint kind of cook on here a little bit more. It's been on here now for about, I don't know, hour and a half, 2 hours. You can see it's still not quite dry, so I just moved it out into the sun here. I'm hoping that'll help kind of speed it along. What I'd like to do is come out here and I'll wet sand it, and then I want to take that color match paint I got, and I think I'll do the top of the fenders, the hood, the top of the fenders. Maybe I'll try and blend it into the cowl here a bit. You can see here's that paint here. It's a little closer than this, right? So we'll try and make that work. You can also see it kind of up in this door here area where the old mirror was. Can you see that? So that blends much better than this does right now. So just kind of bear with me. We'll get there, I promise. How's that look back there? That cowl looks pretty good. All right, I know we're in the shadows on this side. Maybe this side will look a little better. Okay, I'm gonna let this cook and then we'll come back. Okay, so here's where we're at. I pulled off all the plastic, tidied up the ends here. I had a couple of runs here I had to sanded those out, and then I went to go and start painting, and let's see if it'll show up on here. It just started to crack. Can you see that? Some sort of a reaction between this paint and the paint underneath it. So I pulled the plug. Maybe I'll come back and finish this tomorrow. But what I found kind of ironic was that, so the paint that I found in my basement, you can see on the table over there, it's almost a better match than the other color. Maybe not. But I don't know if our color match paint that I had done at, you know, Napa. It's actually any closer than that. None of it really seems to match. Looks like 3 colors for sure, right? Got this color, we got my matched color, and then we got the basement color. Not good. At any rate, that's where I'm at. I'm probably going to leave this till tomorrow at least. Maybe even the next day. Because I am working on this Raptor liner as well. Get that all ripped apart. So we'll see what happens here. This may be the end of the video for now. I may have to come back and update you, and I'll let you know how it came out. But that's really just going to be a color match of paint. Pretty much what you see is what we're going to have. It's the cowl hood. I think it looks pretty good. Paint match is not there. Paint match is not there. Paint match is not there. But this is a temporary thing because I'll paint this thing probably this winter, but I really want to enjoy it this summer. So anyway, if you're watching this, that means this is the end of the video for now, and I will hopefully be able to put in a picture of what it looks like after I spray bomb it. Alright, thanks for hanging out. If you hung around this long, do me a favor. Think about subscribing. Don't have a lot of subscribers. I could use the help. Hit that little like button thingy too. From what they tell me, it helps out with the algorithms. And I'm going to get on this Raptor liner, and I should have that video ready to go for you any day now.